Hey guys, Chicago injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here. Dressed kind of grubby because I'm trying to lose weight and I work out in the middle of the day and I have no appointments today. So I tend to shoot videos on days when I don't have appointments or court, and I tend to also dress grubby because I got a little bit of a high blood pressure and I could use to lose some weight. So I dress grubby and then I just work out in the gym in my office building. So that's why I'm in a t-shirt. That's why you're not seeing me in a suit. Also, I'll be honest with you, I don't like dressing up. I'll dress up if I have to. I'm comfortable in a suit and tie, but it's not, I don't like just, at heart, I think I'm just a normal person. I grew up working class. I don't like dressing up in a suit, acting like a big shot. Um, I mean, I will, and you always look nice when you dress up, but anyway, whatever. Enough about me. The topic today is, can I sue my employer if I got hurt at work, right? So if you got hurt at work and you're an employee, you actually cannot sue your employer the way somebody might sue somebody else in a car crash. Instead, you have to do what's called filing a workers' compensation claim. And workers' compensation claims are similar to suing your employer, but it's not suing. We would just file a workers' comp case at the Workers' Comp Commission. It's not at the regular courthouse. There's no judge and jury. There is an arbitrator who presides over your case, sort of like a judge. And there's a defense attorney. Um, you know, all companies with employees in the state of Illinois are required to have workers' comp insurance. Okay, and if they have workers' comp insurance, they just tell their insurance so and so got hurt at work. The insurance company handles everything. So it's not like we're dragging your company to court. We're just doing a workers' comp case, which is largely more administrative. It's not like quite, it's adversarial in the sense that, no insurance company wants to pay money. We have to make them pay the money on your behalf. And there are benefits laid out in the law in workers' comp that you're entitled to. And the law says that the point of the act is to help injured workers, right? We don't have anything like that for car crash cases or medical malpractice cases or dog bite cases. So it's a completely different animal. We don't sue them. Okay, we file a claim and we handle business that way. So anyway, that's how all that goes. The cool thing about a workers' comp case is it does not cost any money for us to file the case. And it's, again, largely it's procedural. That's why, in my third party cases, like car crash cases and stuff like that, I will try to settle the case before I, try to do anything else. Like I'll try to settle a case before I just go and file it in court. For a work injury case, I'll file the case right away. Now listen, there is a big exception. There's a big exception to what I just told you. If you are an independent contractor, not an employee, quick rule of thumb, if you don't get a paycheck where taxes are withheld, something like that. Sorry, my parking lot here seems to be getting worked on here, so I'm in a bit of wildness here, and they got these little wires defining what's blocked off. They got these little wires defining what's blocked off and what isn't blocked off, and you can't see them. So what they're supposed to do is tie little strings to them so that people can know where to park and where not to park. But they didn't do a very good job of that today. And I don't like parking right on top of my neighbors in a parking lot. So I gotta negotiate this, and all right, we're good now. I can go park somewhere where I'm not going to cause calamity. So the exception is you get into an accident and you're an independent contractor at work, you don't do workers' comp, you can sue your employer. Especially if there's a situation where, let's say your company is working on a job site and then somebody else is working on a job site and the other guy who works for the other company does something that hurts you. Or a common one is drivers, like a truck driver, delivery driver. If they're out driving and a car runs into them, even if they're an employee or an independent contractor, it doesn't matter. We can still make a claim against that other company. Against their company, we may or may not be able to do anything. But against the company of the guy or person who caused the injury, we can definitely file a third-party lawsuit against, okay? So that's sort of how that works. So, yeah, I mean, if you got hurt at work, we're not going to sue your employer. We're going to file an administrative claim called a workers' compensation claim. It doesn't mean that it won't be adversarial, but it's against your company's, on the papers, it says your company's name because the state of Illinois requires us to identify who we're suing, right? But, when it comes down to who we're actually dealing with and calling, we're not calling and hassling your company. It's their insurance that we're calling and talking to. So that's how that works. Anyway, hope that information helps you. Have a great day. Give me a call if I can be of assistance, 312-500-4500. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. If you or anyone you know has been hurt in an accident and needs a lawyer or even just has questions, give me a call anytime, day or night, at 312-500-4500. You can call me anytime, day or night, and the consultation is free. That's 312-500-4500. Or if you're not ready to talk to a lawyer, I made 2 great tools that really help people out that you can use for free on my website. The links are in the description. The first one is called the Case Cash Calculator, and it tells you what your case might be worth. The other is called the Good Case Calculator, and it tells you whether you might have a good case or you might have a case with some challenges. The best part is that they're 100% free to use on my website, and it only takes you 20 seconds flat to answer 7 multiple choice questions right off the top of your head. And then you get custom information about your particular injury situation fast and for free. So check them out, links in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. I release 2 new videos every week, and this way you'll get notice of them. And if you have a question you'd like answered in a video, just leave a comment with your question in the comment section. Finally, if you enjoy my videos or if I've helped you in any way, I hope you'll consider doing me a favor. Injury law is a very competitive field, and I like having a small independent firm so I can help people who need it. People really rely on Google reviews when deciding who to hire, so I hope you'll consider leaving me a 5-star review on Google. It only takes a few seconds, but it's a favor to me that I would really appreciate. The link is in the description. You just go to that link, click 5 stars, say a kind word, hit submit, and you're done. Once again, I hope you and your family are well, and if anyone you know needs an injury lawyer or has questions, please send them my way by calling 312-500-4500. Thanks again for watching. Take care.